You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciations. A name or different origins. It exists in Polish, Czech, Slovak, Russian, also Spanish. Dorota. Dorota. In English, generally you can say it as Dorota. Dorota. The Americans say it as Dorota. How do you say it yourself? And where are you from? Or where is your family from? Let us know in the comments so we know a bit better how to say it, how to pronounce it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.